tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a journal for your classes. Well, first thing that you need to do is decide where you'd like your journal to stay. I suggest that if it's going to be a graded journal that's going to be an important part of your class, you go ahead and create a side menu item for your journal. And you can go ahead and go to the plus in the course that you'd like to create the journal in. And you're going to create a tool link. So I'll click on tool link there. And I'll name it, and I'll say journals. And the type that you're going to choose is going to be journals. I'll make that available to users, and I'll click on submit. Now I've got that tool link at the bottom. I can drag it up closer to the top if I'd like. And now I'll click on the journals menu item that I just created. Now I need to create a journal first. I can create as many journals as I'd like, but I need to create the journal for the students to add information to. So we'll call this mid-semester journal. And you can give it some instructions for the students if you'd like. And you want to make the journal available, obviously. You can restrict the date and time if you'd like. I'll just leave that blank so it's always available. And now the journal settings, you can either choose to index entries monthly or weekly. By default, monthly is on. And now you have a few other choices to make. Allow users to edit and delete entries. That's up to you. Allow users to delete comments and permit course users to view journal. That makes the journal available to other students in the class. It no longer is a private journal if you click this box. If you'd like to grade the journal, you would click on grade and then the points possible. I'll just give that 100 points, and that will create an entry in your grade center for the journal, so you don't need to do that yourself. And then you can show the participants in the needs grading status after a certain number of entries. So by default, when you're grading it, it shows participants in needs grading status after one entry. But let's say you wanted that to be 2 entries, or you didn't want to show it in needs grading. And needs grading would show up as an exclamation point in your grade center. And that's it. I click on submit. And in a second, I should have that journal. And now when the student clicks on the journal, they can go ahead and start posting. They can create a journal entry. And I'll click on create journal entry. And they can create the journal entry. And they can attach a file if they like in the area 2 here, but they don't need to. And then they can click on post entry. And that's it. And you will see, as an instructor, a list of all of the people who have posted the journals, and you can click on the name of the person to go right to their journal. That's pretty much all there is to it, to creating a journal assignment in Blackboard.